Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool one right here, and basically what this is a car seat cover. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it comes with a pack of two of them. The one that I got right here is the mint color. They do have this available in other colors as well, so if you guys prefer the other one, you can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. But if you guys notice on the package, they do probably got some of the specs and features on here. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, they basically provide guys two of them inside, and both of them are the same. One of them is for the right side and one for the left side. When you guys see material that's on here, it definitely has like a breathable mesh material. But once you guys open up, this is what the overall car seat looks like. And then here is basically what the other side looks like. So I'm assuming when you guys do put it on, this part here is the bottom, and here is the top. And when you guys do put it on, if you can see inside, they do have this option for you guys to stick it in between the crack. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second when we do set it up. But the material that they have on here is a stretchable material. So that way when you guys put it on, you guys can strap it around your seat really easily. The way how they designed this seat cover actually wraps around your whole entire seat, even like the headrest option. But this is what the overall product looks like when you guys do take it out. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it looks like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So when you guys put it on, you guys want to make sure this part goes inside like this and stick it in all the way. You just want to put this over the actual seat rest or headrest right here. So here is basically what the seat looks like when you guys do put it on. So it definitely have like the breathable mesh material that's in the middle. So that way when you guys sweat a lot or something, that won't be an issue. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys the better point of view of the product, but here is basically what it actually looks like from top to bottom. Welcome back guys. So that's a quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long, it was actually pretty easy. All you need to do is just stretch it and just strap it around your whole entire seat, both for the top part and also your seat as well. And because of how easy it is to actually put it on, it's so easy for you guys to remove it as well. So that way if you guys want to take it out to wash it or something, you do have the option available. But when you see when you guys do put it on, it actually looks and feels pretty nice. It definitely made my car seat look a lot better than what it was before. And having that breathable mesh material that's on here is actually really nice. So that way if you guys sweat a lot, or if you guys use it during the hotter days, if you guys do sweat on here, it is fine. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this car seat cover, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality car seat cover that has a similar design or same material that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.